Hello students, today we are going to discuss about connecting devices. Okay, so there are five connecting devices which works on different layers. Okay, so we are going to study them. Okay, the first device is gateway. Gateway works on all the layers including application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer and physical layer. Okay, next device is router. Router is also known as layer 3 switch device. Okay, router works on network layer, data link layer and physical layer. Okay, next device is bridge. Bridge is also known as layer 2 switch device. Okay, so bridge works on data link layer and physical layer. Okay, next device is active hub or repeater. Active hub works on physical layer. Okay, the last device is passive hub. Passive hub works below physical layer. Okay, so we will be going to study about these devices in detail. Okay, so these are the categorization based on the layers. Okay, first is passive hub which works below physical layer. Second point, the device repeater or active hub which works on physical layer. Third point, bridge or layer 2 switch devices which works on physical layer and data link layer. Fourth point, a router device or a layer 3 switch device which works on physical layer, data link layer and network layer. Okay, the last one is fifth point is gateway which works on all the layers. Okay, so you need to remember this hierarchy, it is very important. Okay, so first device is passive hub. So passive hub works below physical layer. Okay, it is just a star topology. Okay, as you can see in the diagram, a hub is used to connect the computers. Okay, computers are connected using wires. Okay, now suppose computer 1 wants to send a data to computer 6. Okay, so computer 1 will send a message to hub. Okay, so hub will broadcast the message to all the computers including computer number 6. Okay, because hub does not have filtering capabilities. Hub cannot distinguish who is the destination, sorry, where is the destination. So it will broadcast the message to all the computers. Okay, so from security point of view, hub is not good. Okay, because message can be seen by all the devices. Okay, so first device completed, which is passive hub which works below physical layer. Okay, next device is repeater. Okay, so repeater is also known as active hub. Okay, so repeater works on physical layer. Okay, so repeater is used to regenerate the signals. Okay, you have to remember this, repeater is used to regenerate the signals. Okay, when a sender sends a signal, okay, it becomes weak after traveling some distance. So repeater is used to regenerate the signals. Okay, so after regenerating the signal is sent, okay, to the destination. Okay, so one more important point, repeater is used to connect two LAN segments. Okay, suppose there are two departments in a building, one is testing department and one is development department. So if so between the departments, if two computer want to connect each other, so they can use repeater. Okay, so repeater is used to connect two LAN segments. Okay, please remember this point, in many competitive exam it is asked. Okay, moving next. Next is definition of LAN segment. A LAN segment is a section of local area network that is used by a particular work group or department and separated from rest of the LANs. As we have seen in example also, there are two different departments, one is testing department and one is development department. So the computers in two different departments can communicate with each other using LAN segment, using repeater. So these are the LAN segments which can communicate with each other using repeater. Okay, please remember this point. Okay, so now next important question, what is the difference between repeater and amplifier? Okay, so repeater is used to regenerate the signals. Okay, signal become weak when it travels from sender to receiver. So use repeater. Repeater is used to regenerate the signals. Okay, so it will regenerate the signal to its original form. Okay, but amplifier cannot regenerate the signal. Okay, it amplifies the signal. Okay, which means if there is a if in a signal, if there is a data and if there is a noise, then amplifier will amplify both the things in equal proportion. It will increase the noise and it will also increase the data, because amplifier cannot distinguish between both. Okay, so remember this point, it is very important. Okay, next device is bridge. Bridge is used to connect two LANs. Okay, first important point. Okay, next important point, bridge is a layer 2 device. Okay, it works on both data link layer and physical layer. Okay, so as a data link layer, bridge is having filtering capabilities to filter out the packet based on MAC address or physical address. Okay, so as you can see in the diagram, if A wants to send a message to B, then A will save the source physical address and destination physical address. Okay, so it will send a packet to B, and B will open the packet and see the MAC address. If the MAC address matches with the B, then the packet is acceptable. And okay, so once the packet is acceptable, the packet will not be dropped and it will be forwarded to the bridge using port number 1. Please remember this point. Okay, bridge will drop the packet once it checks the destination address, which was B, and it already got the packet, so bridge will drop the packet. Okay, so in the diagram you can see that uh, so in the diagram it is very clear that A and B can communicate with each other. At a similar time, C and D can also communicate with each other. Okay, so these are the separate LANs which can communicate with each other. Okay, you can imagine these are the buildings, four building, and in the center bridge is there. Okay, each building is represented as a LAN. Okay, now moving to next topic, next device, that is router. Router is also known as layer 3 device. Okay, because it works on three layers. First layer is physical layer, second is data link layer, and third is network layer. Okay, so router is having filtering capabilities based on IP address. Okay, so when a device is connected to a computer, IP address is assigned. Okay, so when a source send a packet to destination, then a source will insert the IP address of source and destination. So when the packet reaches to the router, then router will open the packet and checks the destination address. Okay, if the destination address and forward the packet to the correct destination. Okay, based on the IP address. Okay, we will be studying how it happens, okay, in the next lecture. Okay, so you have to remember this diagram. So a router is used to connect LANs and WANs. Okay, so these are the LANs, and in between router is inserted. Okay, so packet is forwarded from one LAN to another LAN, or one LAN to one to other area. So in between WAN is used, which means the other network is very far, so we have used WAN topology. WAN, okay, wide area network. Okay, so you have to remember this. And the last one is gateway. Gateway works on all the layers. Okay, so gateway is having filtering capabilities based on IP address, based on MAC address, based on port number, and based on message also, which the sender has sent. Okay, so sender sends a message, so gateway can see the message also. Okay, so gateway is inserted between the two networks. Okay, so if two computers which is following different networks. So suppose first computer is following OSI layer model, and second computer is following TCP/IP model. So if they want to establish a connection, if they want to send a packet, if they want to send a message, gateway is required. Gateway will check the packet if it is correct or not. Okay, if the destination network is there on is correct or not, it will check. Okay, so you have to remember this whole point. So our topic ends here. So uh, we will uh, we will study about the summary. We will look at the summary what we have studied. So gateway, first device was gateway, which works on all the layers. Please remember this point. Okay, so gateway can see the IP address, gateway can see the MAC address, gateway can see the physical address, gateway can see the message. Okay, next device we have studied is router. Router is also known as layer 3 switch device. Router can see the network, router can see the IP address, router can see the physical address, router can see the signal. Okay, next device which we have studied is bridge. Bridge is also known as layer 2 switch device. Bridge can see the physical address, bridge can also see the signal which is present in the packet. Please remember these very important points. Okay, next device which we have studied is repeater, which is used to regenerate the signals. Okay, it works on physical layer. So last is passive hub, which works below physical layer. Okay, so we end the topic here. We will continue in next lecture.